I guess so. This is 4G CP router, so which I purchased from Amazon.com. So it costs around 3.5, and you can insert the SIM and use the Wi-Fi router. So the conbre router looks like this with antennas. So where you get charged, and this is the SIM inserter. When you can insert and press, so where you can use the internet. So where you can find the password, login IDs, and the URLs. So you can use this is LAN port also. Once you insert the SIM and start the router, so it will be like this, and it will show you the just red light only, and it will not show the LTE. So if you wanted to on the LTE, it will be internet on and your SIM will be activated. So for that you need to visit the browser 198.168. So the URL, the web browser will be mentioned in the backside of the router. So once you log in with the admin, so you will ask if the pin is locked and enter any of the pin for your SIM to unlock it. So once you start giving the pin, it will be unlocked and you can use the internet from the router. So once it's activated, it will be like this dashboard. So it is showing as off, and whenever it's connected it will show as on, and it will be start giving you the internet. You can find the status there, and you can also see the signal strength, all this information in this login page, so which will be provided backside of the router. So for that browser 198.168.200.1 something like that. So LTE is now blinking and you can able to browse the internet. Let's go and set the speed test. It will be like similar to your phone, and somewhere difference of 2 to 3 Mbps. So for me it's showing like 15-16 Mbps, and the upload speed is 7 Mbps.